Importance of morphometric measurement to predict productivity traits for Palestine Asaf sheep. Asaf sheep, created through crossbreeding Awasi and East Frisian breeds, are pivotal to Palestine's dairy production due to their adaptability to semi-arid climates and high milk yields. The hardy Awasi lends versatility, while the East Frisian excels in dairy productivity. Studies of morphometric and udder traits like body length, chest girth, udder depth, and teat positioning reveal strong links to lactation efficiency and growth rates, driving advancements in breeding strategies. Genomic tools, including single nucleotide polymorphism (SNP) analysis and genome-wide association studies (GWAS), refine selection criteria for economic traits. Community-based breeding programs (CBBPS) foster sustainability, genetic progress, and resource optimization through grassroots collaboration. Integrated phenotypic assessments and advanced computational methods, such as genomic selection algorithms and Bayesian models, enhance heritability predictions and identify superior candidates. Combining traditional practices with innovative genetic profiling, Asaf sheep development exemplifies the synergy between tradition and innovation, ensuring the sustainability and economic viability of Palestine's dairy systems while preserving critical genetic diversity for future adaptability. Introduction. The Asaf sheep is a valuable breed developed by crossing two types of sheep to combine hardiness with high milk production. It is especially well suited to dry and tough environments like those in Palestine, where food and water can be scarce. Many small farmers depend on Asaf sheep for their livelihood because these sheep produce much more milk than traditional breeds. Scientists study their genetics to improve traits like milk yield, reproduction, and survival. One important gene, originally found in another sheep breed, helps Asaf sheep have more lambs and better milk production. Researchers also look at physical traits, such as body size and udder shape, which affect growth and milking efficiency. New breeding methods, including artificial insemination and advanced genetic testing, are helping farmers raise healthier, more productive sheep. These improvements will support sustainable dairy farming and help secure food and income for rural communities in the region. Conclusion. Evaluating both the genetics and physical traits of Asaf sheep is essential to improving their milk production and overall health in Palestine's dairy farms. This breed is known for high milk yield and adapts well to modern farming systems. By studying traits like body size, chest width, and udder shape, farmers can select sheep that are healthier and produce more milk. For example, well-placed and symmetrical teats help milking and reduce infections. New technologies, such as DNA testing and computer algorithms, allow breeders to quickly and accurately pick the best sheep for milk and reproduction while protecting the breed's genetic diversity. Combining these advanced methods with traditional breeding helps address challenges like disease, climate, and local farming conditions. Community breeding programs supported by these tools promote teamwork among farmers and improve the breed's resilience. Using genetic insights to focus on traits consumers want will help make Asaf sheep farming more competitive and sustainable in the future. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.